Arnie Playtime!
Mimi.
Yeah! Hello friends! So today we got lots of Fireman Sam stuff to show you. Oh look, Arnie wants to show you all this as well. Yeah, you got your fireman and your fire engine. And we got some other goodies to show you in a minute. So what we'll do, we'll get your hat, okay? Wow, yeah, okay, here we go Arnie. Sit down my boy. Okay, here we go, look. This is your Fireman Sam helmet. Okay. Wow, look at that! Hey, that's good, yeah. Okay, put that on. Fireman Sam! Yay! Isn't that good? Let's have a look. See, look, you can do it up to make it tighter inside. You've got your little name tag there as well. You put your name on, you've got little straps inside. That's good, Arnie. It's lightweight as well. Yeah? You like that, yeah? Okay, well, I'll tell you what. That's a little strap to put around your neck to keep the helmet on. Yeah. Okay, put it on, we'll show you. There you go, on there, okay? And then we'll put the little strap around you. There! Yay! Thumbs up! Okay, and what we got now is Fireman Sam's uniform. Check that out. Yeah, okay, should we open it? Okay. Here we go, here. Just here. Oh, hang on, let's get the scissors. Okay, the scissors. Scissors. Can you say scissors, Arnie? Scissors. Oh. Hang on. It's well packed, this one, isn't it? Ooh, look at this. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Wow, okay. Let's get this comes out. Yeah, we've got little straps to cut here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Little tags. Okay, there as well. It's exciting, isn't it? Okay, I'll have to take that one out there. Whoa! Any more? Yep. Yeah, let's have a look here. Oh, look at that. Does that come off? Wow! Okay. Yep, and then that one there. Wow. Okay. You got a little tag around here as well. Okay. Whoa! Hang on. Is it just one more? One more tag here. Just get rid of all the little bits in there. Okay, Arnie. Do you want to try this? Here you go, my boy. Put your arm through there. Wow, okay, stand up. Hey, Fireman Sam. Whoa, look at that. Wow. I like that. Let me get these out as well for you. Okay. It's too hot, yeah? It is a hot day, isn't it? Hey? Yeah? What? That's right. Wow. Hey. I think we have to get batteries for this. But if you pull that... Wow, look at that, Arnie! Oh. Click, 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 click! Let's have a look at this. Oh, I like this. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, Arnie, I like this. Which way? Oh, I don't know, I have to look into this one. Oh, there you are. Wow, look at this! Little fireman legs. Hey. You like that, yeah? Hey! Hello, Fireman Sam, are you there? Little torch. Hit the button up front. Yeah, there you go. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's quite bright, isn't it? Wow. Hey? Okay, put the stuff down there. We've got some more stuff to open. Look at this. Sam and Norman. Way. Arnie, come have a look at this one. There's Sam and Norman. There's Sam, he's the one that's always naughty in there. He's always doing things wrong. Whoa, he came out pretty quick. Okay, put that there. Oh, that's a little helmet for Fireman Sam. Hey, he puts his arm back on there. Yeah. That's Norman. There you go. Fireman Sam. There's Naughty Norman. Naughty Norman, there you go. Yay! Eh? You click there, it makes a noise, doesn't it? Is that calling the fire station? Hey! And all these bits and pieces, Arnie. Look at all these. You've got little radios. Two little radios there. We've got a lump hammer. You've got the jaws of life, which you cut open a car. You've got the axe. You've got the spade. Fire extinguisher. That looks like, to me, a torch. Okay. You've got the loudspeaker. You got first aid kit. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, what have we got next, Arnie? Huh? Hey! Oh, the fire engine. Oh my God. Oh. There's a look at this. Eh? I know. Oh. Okay. Let's open this. Look at the fire engine. Oh, I mean, this looks good. Yeah. I think I'm more excited than you are. Wow.
Me.
Look at that. Isn't that good? And who's standing in front? It's Penny and Fireman Sam. Yay, can you get them out?
No.
Okay, let's have a go. Oh! It's all go! Okay, and then underneath, you've got your little buttons to turn to release the fire engine from the box. Easy. Wow, that come on straight away. Hey, hey! Arnie, we're getting there. Look at that. Hey, Arnie.
Look, I'm a next meat.
Oh, I like this, Arnie.
I'm digging now.
Hey.
Okay.
You've got some goodies there. Let's get Fireman Sam and Penny out of the box. Oh, come here. Oh, they're stuck in here. Whoa! Yay! We've got a nice background there of the village. Wow. That is amazing, Arnie. Whoa! Hey, come on, let's put Penny in there, okay? There you go. There's Fireman Sam standing on top saying, come on, everybody! There's a fire! Let's go! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Put them down there, okay? Wow, look at this. You've got loads of stuff here, Arnie. Oh, yeah, that's right. You pull these out, okay? And these are like, I think they're little straps. Yeah, we're going to take these off, okay? We'll take the sellotape off. There you go. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, they've got sellotape on there to keep it all together in the packing, you see? So we'll have some more there. Take that sellotape off. Oh, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Huh? Oh, you like that? Let these come out, Arnie. Okay. This one might be still stuck in there. Oh no, there you go. They come out and they go down as well, you see. There you go, look at that. Wow. Yeah. That's right. And the door's open, look. Wow, I tell you what. Let's put Fireman Sam in there, okay? There you go, he's sitting inside. Yay! Hey, look, Fireman Sam in the fire engine. Yeah, and where's Penny? Look, we've still got some more wrapping to take, some more wires to take off here. Wow. Let's just take all this off first. Okay. Whoa, look at this, Arnie. Oh. Hey. Right, okay. Oh, let's move around as well. And look at this, it's got a fire hose there. And we rigged that up to there. We clip it on there, I think. We have to check that out. There we go. Oh, let's have a look. Eh? Oh! There you go, Arnie, look. I'll put Fireman Sam in there, okay? There you go. Let's have a look at that. I'll take that off. That's a little bit of sellotape again, just to hold it all together. Okay, look at that, look. Wow. Do you like that, Arnie, yeah? Look, there's Norman there, look. And there's all your bits and pieces there. And look, you've got some more. Lots of bits and pieces here, Arnie. Wow. Oh! There's Penny with Elvis sitting in a fire engine.
Yeah, you're starting here.
Okay, look, we've got some helmets here for them.
Norman's being naughty boy.
Oh, he's been naughty boy, yeah?
Shut
There you go. Fireman Sam's helmet on. Yay! And we put Penny's helmet on as well. Make sure they're safe. Yeah. Oh! Fireman Sam, he's fallen off the ladder. There you go. Oh! Hey! Come here. There you go. Party time. See, that's where the water... You can actually put water in here, Arnie. See, you can actually, underneath, you got a little water container there. You can fill it up with water. And then you push the thing on top here, the little yellow button. Whoa! The little yellow button, and when you push that, it squirts out water out the top here. Out of here. There you go like that, and it pumps it. And it's so, like, real, isn't it, Arnie? Wow. Yeah. Wow, there's the gang on front there. You got all your little bits and pieces here, Arnie, to put in there. Little doors open, look. You see? Whoa! Yeah. Oh, it's got a fire hose as well. Look at this. Comes out. Wow. So you can get Fireman Sam holding the hose. There, he'll be putting out the fire. Eh? Hang on, let's have a go. I think we'll get this one here, okay? This fireman sand comes with the find. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll plug that in his hand. And it's happy days, okay? Look at that! Isn't that great? He's all ready to put the fire out, Arnie. And you're putting that in the fire engine, yeah? Wow! Oh, we're going to plug that back in. You see, that goes back in there. On there, you see? On there, yes. That's it. That clips on there.
You clip on here.
Yeah, that's it. There you go, okay?
Yeah, Papa, yeah, a clip.
Okay?
Yeah, a clip.
That can actually clip on the side as well. This is amazing. Look in there. There you go. Isn't that good? Wow. You got all your little bits and pieces here, Arnie. Look at this. First aid boxes and little fire cones as well that you put out on the road. Hmm? Oh.
No.
Okay. Oh yes. Okay, so that moves around, yeah? Oh, that's pretty good, Arnie. Wow. So you put that on top there and then you turn it around afterwards, yeah? Oh, wow. Okay, so Arnie, we have got something else as well, yeah? It's a big box. Oh, yes. Wow, you got lots of stuff here. Okay, what we'll do, we'll put this aside, okay? So we'll put that there. Put this one over there, okay? Wow. Put all your bits and pieces here, okay? You got lots of bits and pieces. Sit down, my boy. Okay, sit down, that's it. Okay, we'll put them out. Just put out the fire. Now, Arnie, my God. Check this one out. Look at this. Wow, look at that. It's the fire station. Oh, okay, I'm going to have to open on the side here and then put it on the table. Wow, this is massive. Okay, put that over there. Whoa. And then get this bit here. There you go. Oh. Wow, look at that. Empty box. Yeah, that's the packing. We'll put that there because we can use that as a tower. Yeah, wow, look at Arnie. Whoa. Wow. Is there any more? Oh, there is. Oh, come here. Some more here, Arnie. Thank you. Okay, Arnie, come and sit here. Oh, I come sit here now. I'll open this now, okay? Arnie? Okay, Arnie, here we go. The fire station's coming out. Wow, look at all this. Woohoo! Yeah, you can build this. You want to build it or Papa? Okay, now you know what that's for, eh? That is for the fire engine to turn around on. Wow. Eh? Yeah, it's a nice light, isn't it? Okay, let's have a look at this. Wow. He loves his little torch. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oh, Arnie. Hey, got some built-in batteries there. Yeah, the door comes up. Does the door come up and go in? Oh, it does as well, look. Okay, that's good. Now, is there some paperwork? How to build this? Yeah? You sure? Because I can't see any. Whoa! There's all the bits and pieces here. Got the scissors. Okay, Arnie, what we'll do is have a look how to build this, okay? That's got to be upstairs. Up there. That's got to be this has got to be the base down here, okay? So I reckon that slots in there like that. Put that in there like that. And clip it in.
Hello?
Look at that. And that's not even looking at the instructions. Look at that, my boy. Who are you talking to? Fireman Sam? Where is he? Okay, now this part here. I have to be careful there, Arnie. Ooh. This bit goes on the top. I gotta be careful there, my boy. Gotta make sure I put it on the right way. In fact, wow, more stuff here. And there's more stuff. Oh, there's lots of stuff here. Yay! The pickaxe. Okay, so what I'll have to look at the box here to build it, okay? So, okay, now look at my way. Yay! Okay, so we'll have this bit here. This bit here goes upstairs. Okay? Okay, my boy. I think. And, yeah. This all clicks in, my boy. gotta have a good look here because here we go, we're getting it. Oh. There you go. That's the first bit done. Hey! Thank you for watching Arnie's Playtime. Bye-bye! And see you next time!